How to add background image in Google Slides. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can add background image or picture in Google Slides. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up the Google Slides and select your slides where you want to insert the background image on. After that, head towards this toolbar at the top. There is this background option. You have to click on it. Now click on choose image. After that, you have to add an image from your device. If it is in your device, click on browse. Now select the image that you want to add as your background. I have this image right here. After that, click on open. Wait for a while, and once you have selected your image, click on done. And as you can see, the background image has been added. If you want to add text, there you can add text. So that's the way to add background image in Google Slides, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.